Ever wondered what it takes to build a career where you shape workplaces, empower people, and drive organizational success? If yes, you're at the right place. Welcome, guys. Today, let's talk about how to get into the human resources function. Whether you are just starting out or looking for a career switch, HR could be a perfect field for you. Watch this video till the end as I will try to cover the basics, the qualification needed, various specialized fields you can work in, and how to get into HR without formal qualifications. So let's get started. HR, or human resources, is a field focused on managing the employee life cycle in an organization. HR is responsible for hiring, training, compensation benefits, partnering with businesses, working on employee engagement, ensuring compliance with labor laws, and so on. HR professionals are also key players in supporting and creating a healthy work culture, resolving workplace conflicts, and most importantly, developing talent. Essentially, if you enjoy working with people and processes, focus on problem solving, and are action-oriented, HR probably could be a great career choice for you. Let's look into education part. It is always advisable to get a degree in human resources subject and in the process learn the concepts as well. Well, let me tell you, you can get into HR without a formal degree as well. Let me come to this in a little while. Coming back to the education needed. If you are a student and currently pursuing your graduation, be it any stream, a postgraduate degree in human resources, business administration, or a related field is a common path chosen by most. So, research well. You may search for top universities available locally or globally and understand their selection process, most of which follow an entrance examination or a selection process. My suggestion would be prepare for such examinations while you are in your graduation studies. 6 months to 1 year could be a good period to get prepared for, just to manage on your time. Such degrees will certainly provide you a great competitive edge. Hence, you have to be clear of your why you want to opt for HR as a career option. Certification. Well, that was about formal education. Let us also talk about available certifications. Industry recognized certifications such as SHRM-CP, PHR, or CIPD can enhance your knowledge and boost your resume. For those new to HR, introductory certifications like the SHRM Essentials of Human Resources may help you to get started. Certifications also help you learn about HR concepts well, and you're bound to get a good head start. Communication skill is the most needed skill. I've already shared a video, so do watch it so that it helps you understand the essential skills needed. Details are given in the description box as well. HR isn't a one-size-fits-all field. You can specialize based on your interests and career goals. So assuming you have completed your degree and you're now working in an organization and learning on the job, your first year could be a training phase where you may be rotated in several departments within HR or assigned to one particular department as well, like recruitment and talent acquisition, wherein your focus is on hiring the right talent for the organization, or training and development, help employees grow their skills and careers, compensation benefits, design competitive pay structures and perks, or employee relations, wherein you resolve conflicts and foster a positive workplace culture, or even HR analytics. They use data to improve HR strategies and decision making. specialization offers unique challenges and opportunities. So explore what aligns with your strengths. Learn and network well with colleagues around. Hopefully, this makes it clear for you how you can get into HR with right qualification. Let us now understand how you can get into HR without a formal education. Not everyone starts with a degree or certification in HR, and that is okay. Here's how you can still break into the field. Leverage on your skills. Skills like communication, conflict resolution in the organization are valuable. Highlight these in your resumes. You may start in administrative roles as well. Roles like HR assistant, office manager, or recruitment coordinator can be good stepping stones, and most of it will be learning on the job right from step one. Your hard work, sincerity, result orientation, and learning agility will define how fast you can grow within the HR function. Gain experience through internships or volunteering. Volunteer to help with HR tasks at small companies, non-profits, or within your own network. This would certainly help you to learn more. Learn through online resources. Several platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, YouTube, and similar have free or affordable courses on HR fundamentals. You may opt for one of such. And networking. Join professional HR groups, forums, or such related communities where networking will definitely help you find right opportunities and mentors in this field. Hope this helped you. Remember, the path to HR is flexible and there's no single way to enter the field. Whether you're pursuing formal education, taking certifications, or starting from scratch, there's room for you in HR if you're passionate about helping people succeed. In my experience, I have also seen instances where people have switched to HR after several years of working in sales or operations or finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to know more about HR and the work HR people do. Let me know your views and share your comments, or please send me your queries and I shall be happy to clarify. Thank you and see you soon.